Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to request every one of you to be careful during CPI. Yes, today we have CPI, so market will be very volatile. Especially beginners, new traders, try to close down all your US dollar positions, not only gold, all US dollar positions before news, because market may act crazy. And if you want to know the timing, go to any economy calendar and check out the timing in your own country. But be careful, do not try to gamble with your hard earned. So now let's talk about DXY. As we all know it very well that DXY is in downtrend for last couple of weeks and months, and DXY is right now trading inside a range where we have 100.80 as the last line of defense or the last support, and we have 102.40 as the previous high. I won't call it as a very strong reason because overall the market is in downtrend. But yes, this is the previous high which will be acting as the resistance, and 100.80 is the last line of defense or the last support for DXY. And DXY is trying its best, giving its best fight to survive above 100.80. So today we will have to see whether DXY succeeds or not. So if DXY breaks 100.80 level, then things will be very difficult for DXY, and it will head towards double 99 or double digits. And if DXY starts going up, it may be a beginning of a new recovery on the chart of DXY. If you remember correctly, when the market was extremely bullish or DXY was extremely bullish and made a high of 114.75, it was CPI that brought a complete trend reversal. So today also we are going to have a CPI. So CPI is a very important event for the market. So let's wait and watch where the market performs, how the market performs, or where the market goes. So please be careful. Now let's talk about the chart of gold. So yesterday we saw a perfect reversal from our level of 2031 to 2033. The level we have been talking for the last couple of days. Since Saturday we have been talking about the possible selling opportunity around 2031 to 2033, and we got a 70 to 80, almost 100 pips movement from the level. We saw a good reversal. I booked around 50 pips, and right now we can see that after making a high of almost 2036, gold is standing at 2031. So my dear friend, I would like to repeat that yesterday the level worked, so do not expect the same today. So today this level is no longer valid, this level is no longer important for us. So before CPI, my dear friend, before CPI, we have a selling opportunity around 2040 to 2042. So before CPI, if market starts going up, you can expect the market to face some selling around this area. If market reverses just like yesterday, we can go for a sell around 2040 2042. But keep in mind, this is a minor level. This will not work after CPI, because after news, when the fundamentals dominate the market, the technicals fail. So do not expect this level to reverse the market after news. Before news, before CPI, this should work, but after news this will not work. So whatever levels we'll be discussing right now, okay, those levels will mostly work before CPI only, because every trader, every technical analysis have some limitations. You must understand that whenever a news dominates a market, it's your duty to ride along with the news. Just try to follow the trend. So these levels will, okay, these are levels for before the news only. Okay, so 2040 2042 is the only resistance level for us before CPI. And if we look at the chart prime, then we can see that yesterday we got two signals from chart prime, and chart prime gave a reversal sign here, and we also got a reversal sign here. This is a 15 minutes time frame, and on the 15 minutes time frame both the signals work. Okay, and on the 15 minutes time frame, this level gave us almost 30 pips, this signal. So 30 pips is good enough, I believe. And here we were also given a divergence, the oscillator. As we have already seen, the oscillator works nicely. So yeah, the oscillator worked perfectly fine. So if you know how to trade on divergence. So this is the third signal you got from chart prime. If we look at the hourly chart of and use the chart prime, then the last signal was on 5th May and it gave a buy signal, possible reversal up, and it also worked nicely. Those who don't know about chart prime, then chart prime is a very intelligent, awesome tool, okay, that not only gives the buy and sell signals on the chart, but also there is a chart pattern detection, candlestick pattern detection, smart money concept, and you can see that they have a multi-time frame support resistance, so you don't need to waste your time over drawing support resistance if you don't want to. Okay. Then they also have an oscillator that marks the overbought oversold levels. Along with that, you also get the divergence so that you do not miss any divergence. Right now they are giving a 40% discount on the website till 14th May, but if you use the link or the code in the description box, you will get a 45% off before 14th May. So feel free to check out ChartPrime. It's an awesome tool. You can also go to their tutorials page, okay, where you can see or you'll find many videos, okay, that will teach you how the tools work. Okay, these are the tutorial videos, and on the right hand side you can see that they have a long list of strategy videos, so you can also check out the tutorials as well as strategies just to check out. Okay. And as I said, 45% off before 14th May. Okay, so use the code in the description. Now again we are in the 450 minutes time frame. So overall on the 50 minutes time frame, we can see that overall market is in uptrend right now. At present the market is in uptrend and market is respecting the trend line to be as the dynamic support. But the problem is that the time frame is only 15 minutes, and as we all know, 15 minutes is not a very reliable time frame, and moreover market has already tested a trend line too many times. So my dear friends, before CPI, if market comes down to 2026 to 2024, you may find some support, but be careful because we have a trend line here that has been tested already many times, and in addition to that, you can also see that we also have a 200 moving average around this area. Okay. and what and we also have some minor support around 2021 2018, but those levels are far away, so I don't think so we need these levels right now. So before CPI, we have a resistance around 2040 to 2042. If market reverses, you can look for a sell, and before CPI, if markets starts coming down, you can look for some support around 2026 to 2024. The resistance, probably you know, because we have been discussing over the last 3 days because of Fibonacci here, and we have seen that our levels are working nicely along with Fibonacci. We are considering 2026 2024 because of 200 moving average and the trend line, okay, on the 15 minutes time frame. But be careful, 15 minutes time frame is not very reliable, and in addition to that, market has already tested a trend line too many times. Be careful. And in case before CPI market shows volatility and market breaks 2026 2024, your next support will be around 2021 and 2018 to 2017. I don't think so market will be heading towards 2018 2017 before CPI, because usually market prefers to stay silent before any big news. So let's keep our eyes on this level and this level. So these are the only two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold before CPI. And after CPI, my dear friend, if you see market trending, it can be towards the upside, downside, doesn't matter. Instead of looking for bottoms and tops, try to ride the trend of the market. In case market gets very choppy, then that's a different chapter, but if possible, try to ride the trend of the market. And as I have already said, the news trading is really difficult, so try to avoid, especially beginners and new traders. But if you have experience, then that's a different chapter. But yes, be careful. Okay, and this is my lesson, my dear friend. I can be wrong as well, so follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.